Hey guys, I am Webhav and you are watching Cybernetics. So today, in this video, I'll be going to unbox the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro, India's camera beast. So let's get started. So this is the box that I got from Flipkart. Let's quickly open this. And as you all guys know, if you want to buy this phone, then you have to purchase this from the Flipkart's flash sale. If you all want a separate video for how to buy the Redmi phones in Flipkart's flash sale, then please comment in the comment section down below. So on the front we have written Redmi Note 5 Pro by Xiaomi, and on the top India's #1 smartphone brand. On the back, made in India, and some key specification of this phone like the 5.99 inch screen, the 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera, the Snapdragon 636 and the 4000 mAh battery. Let's unwrap this phone. Before stepping inside, first I will tell you the specification of this phone. It is being powered by Snapdragon 636, a dual SIM hybrid SIM slot and a 4000 mAh battery. It has two variants, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, which is expandable up to 256GB. It has 12 plus 5 megapixel rear shooter and a 20 megapixel front shooter. It has 5.99 inch Full HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass. So inside the box, first we'll get a back cover which Xiaomi is giving in their every phone coming nowadays. So this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It looks really good and perfect because of the build quality. The build quality is really good. Let's keep this aside and look what other things do we get with this phone. So these are some of the paperworks, the manual, and this is the power brick of this phone. It is the typical Xiaomi design power brick. It has the power of 2 amps, which means it will not charge the phone in fast speed, which is required because of the big battery. As the cable, it is a micro USB cable. Still we are not getting a type C. So this is the most famous and the well-known Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. On the top of the display, we get the camera, the earpiece and the proximity sensors. If we turn the device, we get the volume rocker and the power key. The buttons are really clicky. On the bottom, we get the speaker grill, the charging port, the mic and the aux port. On the other side we get the SIM tray. Let's get this SIM tray out. As it is a hybrid SIM slot, we can put two SIMs together or one SIM or one memory card. So on the top we get the secondary noise cancellation mic and the IR blaster. Let's move to the back of the phone. Here we have the camera, the fingerprint sensor and the back is fully metallic. Let's boot up the device. So it is running on the MIUI 9. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment section down below.